A single video just flipped the entire narrative, and it's forcing Americans to rethink everything they thought they knew about the Minneapolis ICE shooting. Newly released first-person footage from the cell phone of ICE agent Jonathan Ross is reigniting national outrage and debate over the fatal shooting of Renee Nicole Good. The video obtained by Alpha News captures tense moments leading up to the incident, including Good's wife, Rebecca, confronting ICE agents as emotions escalated. Officers are heard repeatedly ordering Good to exit her SUV, but instead, she briefly reverses before accelerating forward while turning, forcing Ross to jump out of the way and fire multiple shots as the vehicle passed. This new angle adds to previously released videos that had already split public opinion. A viral witness clip showed Good's SUV idling near an active ICE operation before an agent approached her vehicle. Additional surveillance footage later revealed the SUV entering the scene, dropping off a passenger, and positioning itself across the street in what appeared to be an attempt to block traffic near the enforcement activity. Together, the footage has fueled conflicting interpretations of whether the shooting was justified or excessive. Federal officials have strongly defended the agent's actions. The Department of Homeland Security stated that Ross, a veteran officer, acted in self-defense during what they described as a volatile and dangerous situation. The Trump administration echoed that position, with senior officials claiming Good was part of a group attempting to disrupt immigration enforcement efforts. Vice President Vance reinforced this stance publicly, calling the death tragic, but placing responsibility on the actions that led to the shooting. As protests spread nationwide, the incident has intensified long-standing tensions between federal immigration authorities and activists who oppose ICE operations. With each new piece of footage released, the case continues to evolve, raising difficult questions about use of force, accountability, and how a single moment caught on camera can completely change the story the public believes.